Micron just had its worst trading day in more than a year, down over 13%. Earnings are tomorrow after market close. We ran the FSR. The score is 24%, one of the lowest readings we've ever recorded. This drop is part of a broader chip sector sell-off. ARM down 10%, Qualcomm down 8%, Taiwan Semi down nearly 7%. Concerns about a strategy shift at SK Hynix are rattling the AI memory market. The Nasdaq closed down more than 2% on the day. Just yesterday, Micron hit an all-time high after announcing a new partnership with Anthropic. That's how fast the stock has been moving. 1 year daily data, FSR score 24%, rolling FSR 88.9%. Price started the year near 130 and is now 1051, roughly an 8x move. The yearly average sits at 355. Look at the rolling FSR collapse around Windows 211 to 217, dropping to 73%, the lowest reading of the year. That's exactly where today's crash registers in the data. Here's what's remarkable. Bank of America raised the price target today from $950 to $1,500 and kept a buy rating, even as the stock fell 13%. The Analyst average target is $1022. The stock closed at $1051, essentially right at that average. Wall Street isn't panicking. The market sold off on sector-wide AI spending fears, but the fundamental call on Micron specifically did not change. This is one of the most volatile setups we've seen heading into a report. 24% overall FSR and a stock up 763% over the past year tells you this has been an explosive, repeatedly disrupted climb, not a clean trend. Tomorrow's earnings call will either comp that volatility or add to it. Earnings tomorrow, June 24th, after market close. We'll run the post-earnings FSR right after. Subscribe so you catch it. Full tool at predictability-api.com. Link is in the description. Breakdowns happen all the time. Thanks for stopping by. We'll catch you in the next one.